Hey guys, so today I will be showing you how to open your Xbox 360 controller. As you can see, I already took the battery pack off, and this is my first controller that I've used. And in most controllers, this screw that is right here is usually up here, but Xbox moved it down here, probably just to trick you guys. So, as you can see, there is a little thing right there that looks like a screw. I think they just put that in there to throw you guys off. But the screw's right there. Now, I'm going to show you how to open it. So what you need is a small screwdriver. I recommend using these steel grip ones. And you take the smallest one, this one. And then you need a pair of pliers. So what you do is you take the screwdriver and you're going to stick inside one of these screws, and then you're going to take the pliers and you're going to use it like this so you get a good grip on the screwdriver. And I already did a couple of my screws just for practice, like that one and that one. I'll show you how to get this one off. And when you do this, this is an important step because I almost did this to this top left one. Make sure you twist. If you stick the screwdriver in there and you take the pliers and you just push or whatever, then you're going to bend the tamper-resistant thing in the middle of the screw, and you won't be able to get it off. I almost set that up here, but after 10 minutes of trying, I got it off. So this is what you're going to do. You're going to stick the screwdriver just into the screw, into the side of the screw. Make sure it's a small enough screwdriver to get in between that, and then you take your pliers and you're going to grab around the screwdriver like so. So you have it like this. And then you're going to twist to your right or you're going to twist to your left, and you'll hear a crack. That's just that tamper resistant thing popping off. It may not look like it popped off, but just shake your controller upside down and it will be popped off. I can't show you guys how to do that because I'm holding the camera in one hand and this in the other hand, and you need both hands to do this. I will try here. So I'm going to set the camera down. Let's see here. I'll set the camera just like that. Okay, that is not staying. So, sorry about that. I will just try this with one hand. So you have your screwdriver and it's in your pliers. Use your dominant hand because this is going to be very hard to do. So you take it, stick inside the screwdriver, or the screw. I'm going to set the camera down real quick so I can do this. Stick it in. And then, if you can hear this, this is what it's going to sound like. Just that easy. Just that little crack. I'll do it again to a different screw. See? It's easy as that. And now, I got it off. And you just shake it upside down. And it's out. And you're all done.